Definitely not gonna forget that wind on the way back though. Water's a bit contaminated since the level's gone up. So it's a bit brown. But we're gonna try anyways. Get something to eat. Yeah, I always come with like a sandwich or something, whether I buy it or make it at the house. It's just a simple ham and cheese. But I can't imagine a better spot to have lunch. It's gorgeous. Some eagles over there. So you bring your food out here, make sure you take your packaging back. Since you've been paddling or hiking or whatever, unless you have hand sanitizer, you know, use your wrappers and stuff like that to protect your food. Because especially when you're out paddling, water is really dirty, so you don't want to get any contaminants in your food. You could get seriously sick. That was good. Now for a special treat, these are my homemade granola bars. Actually, it's not a granola bar, it's more like a Cliff Bar. And they're real easy to make. Maybe one of these days I'll show you guys how to make one. And the only problem is the ingredients are kind of expensive. But no, they're super good. And let me show you what I got here. Full of like sunflower seeds, oatmeal, chia seeds. I got flaxseed in there, peanut butter, some brown sugar, honey, loads of honey, full of honey. I'm actually almost out. I'm gonna have to go out to the honey farm and pick some more up. But yeah, let's give this one a go. Oh, I put coconut in this one this time. Let's see what's up. The cool thing about these bars, you can put whatever you want in them. If you like raisins, put raisins in it. Like almonds, put almonds in it. These babies right here are packed full of energy. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna finish my lunch, relax a little bit, and we'll get back out on the water. Hopefully we'll catch something. But when the water's really high like this, it tends to be a little difficult. Anyway, alright. Well, lunch was good. Decided to get back out on the water. It's super windy today. It's gonna be a pain in the neck getting back. But still got a few hours I want to spend out here, so I'm not overly worried about it right now. But I kind of wanted to get out from underneath all those trees because branches and palm fronds keep falling out, and I don't want to get hit in the head. I almost got hit in the head by one of those air plants. It was pretty big. Hit the ground right next to me. I was like, whoa. So just want to take it easy and be safe, you know. Don't want to push it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get some fishing going and see about catching something. Hey, check this out. That's awesome. I'm trying to track them down right now. I just seen one, and I heard one out there too. Whatever. That's cool though. I got a lot of good footage of them. Funny thing was, I didn't even know that they were there. I was pointing something else out to you guys, and then I looked up, and there they were. And in fact, I only thought it was one. It wasn't until I got out of the boat and snuck up on it that I realized that it's a whole bunch of them. So that turned out to be pretty cool. Anyways, what I wanted to show you guys was that there's this really cool spot back here that when the water's low, it's just like a big sinkhole, and I don't know, and it's kind of creepy when you find it, and you look down in it, and it's just like a stagnant pool of water full of logs, and who knows what else is down in there. But right now, you can paddle right to, well, you can't paddle right to it because there's a big log in the way, but it turns out that I guess the floodwaters had opened it up, and you can paddle right up to it. So yeah, I'll show you. It's pretty cool. Man, I can't believe those pigs. That was great. I've been trying to get Florida pig footage for a long time. This is my boat down there. But this is the hole. And now all the water is attached to it, and it runs all the way out to the river now. This is really cool. I gotta tell you, I mean, this whole place is completely different now. I'm loving it, but at the same time, eventually later, early next year, it's gonna go all back down to normal, and it'll be back to what I'm actually used to. But yeah, it's really neat. I'll show you some pictures. But this sinkhole is actually really creepy when it's sitting there all by itself. Cool. Anyway, let's carry on. It's starting to get late, and I got a long paddle back against the wind. So I got a hard paddle all the way back. It's gonna be a couple hours. It's okay. I'm gonna be fighting the wind the whole time. I'm not worried because it's good for these guns. Anyways, all right. Let's see what else we can get into this afternoon. Well, this is it. This is the last tributary before the canoe launch. Today's been amazing. Those pigs were really cool. And I'm really happy I was able to take you guys along. And anyway, like always, thanks for watching. Take care.
Hey everybody, I want to direct your attention to my Patreon account. With your donation through Patreon, you help support Jungle J Adventures provide better content in more exotic locations. So go on over and check it out. Donate $5 today, and I'll send you a cool Jungle J logo or a Monster Skeeter decal free. And like always, thanks for watching. Take care.